Hi, I'm Mia Jones, Production Manager for BizoMedia FM. In today's episode, Marcus Davis and Chloe Chen talk about a pain point we hear from trades and local service businesses. They don't want to learn slide software. They want a workshop video that wins quotes. Pain first, features never. Let's join Marcus and Chloe on BizoMedia FM episode 4.
Welcome back to BizoMedia FM. I'm Marcus Davis, and Chloe Chen is with me. Today we're talking about a tradesperson who called us. Not because he wanted another app, but because he was tired of being told to just make slides with AI.
Marcus, this plumber, let's call him Carlo, is brilliant at what he does. Unblocking drains, fixing hot water, showing up on time. His customers trust him in their homes. But when it came to marketing a short workshop for real estate agents or strata managers, everyone said, record a slide deck, use Replit, learn Canva.
And Carlo's reaction was basically, I'm not a slide designer, I'm a plumber. I want to unblock drains, not become a videographer.
Exactly, that's the pain. It's not, I need more software. It's, I need someone to turn my talking points into a professional video I can send after a quote. 6 slides, his voice, maybe a short intro, something he can text to a property manager without apologizing for how it looks.
So what did he actually need?
A done-for-you path. He sends a short brief, logo, bullet points, who the workshop is for. We build a slide summary for approval first, so he's not paying for video before the words are right. Then a watermarked preview. He says yes, pays a flat project fee in US dollars and gets 1 MP4 he owns, landscape for email or vertical if he wants it for phone.
No monthly subscription to learn?
Not on this lane. This is presentations done for you. Visit presentations, BizoMediaMarketing.com. The DIY app is still there for people who want the tool. Carlo wanted the outcome.
What does his customer see?
Press play, hear calm plain English, see clear slides, blocked drains, maintenance tips, when to call a pro. 1 link, no login, no figure out our dashboard. It respects his trade and his audience's time.
And for listeners who want the same thing, electrician, landscaper, accountant running a lunch and learn?
Same story. If your pain is, I don't want to build slides, don't buy another monthly AI toy. Send a brief, approve the summary, preview the video, get the file. Start at presentations, BizoMediaMarketing.com, or see how the platform works at appBizoMediaMarketing.com.
The problem wasn't missing features. It was missing a partner who ships the video.
That's episode 4. Trades, workshops, quote closers, done for you.
This has been Marcus and Chloe on BizoMedia FM episode 4. Pain first, features never. We'll see you next time.